Have you transplanted out all of your seedlings for the season? I'm Christy Wilhelmi from Gardenerd, and today I'm going to show you how to clean your seed trays so they'll be ready for you the next time you need them. Seed starting is exciting and fun. Seed tray cleanup afterwards, not so fun, but I'm going to show you the way we do it here at Gardenerd headquarters. It makes it pretty quick and easy. But first, why do we clean up our seed trays? Isn't it just soil and we're gonna put soil in them again? Yes, true, but over time, when seeds are growing in seed trays, there can be mold that develops, or algae, or diseases if you end up getting damping off or some other fungal infestation in a closed environment. And you want to eliminate that from your seed trays surfaces so that you don't end up with it again. Also, cleaning your seed trays helps reduce the wear and tear on it so that it lasts for years and years. Because let's face it, most of our seed trays are made of plastics that degrade over time, and if we want to keep them out of the landfill as long as possible, cleaning them between use is really a good idea. So what you need for this task is, of course, your seed trays and a bucket and any of the following cleaning options. A 10-to-1 bleach solution, that's 10 parts water to 1 part bleach, or a 50-50 blend of vinegar and water, or a bottle of hydrogen peroxide. Here at Gardenerd, we find one of the easiest things to do is to just insert the spray nozzle into the bottle itself and use that directly on things. So, step 1, hose off all of your equipment. Next, you want to either spray it down with your hydrogen peroxide bottle or fill a trough with water and your bleach or water and vinegar solution and soak these guys for a little while in that. About 10 minutes is fine, half an hour is fine too. You don't want to leave it in too long, and then rinse it off and you're done. You can also use an old toothbrush to scrub down any areas that have stubborn soil that won't come off. Now, if you're using capillary mats, which extend water from a basin across the surface of the mat to evenly water all of your seedlings, we love capillary mats, this is where a really important bleach water solution comes in. 10 parts water to 1 part bleach in a bucket like this, and soak. Once you're finished soaking, gently roll up and wring out your capillary mat and then lay it out flat to dry in the sun. We like to put our trays out in the sun as well, flip them over halfway through, and they will be ready to store for your next growing season. To learn more about growing from seed and seed starting, visit gardenerd.com and check out my books, because that has information as well, and my online courses. Consider becoming a Patreon subscriber to support all the free stuff we do here at Gardenerd. Patreon supporters get access to behind-the-scenes goodies like monthly hangouts with me and expedited answers to your burning gardening questions. Happy gardening.